We're on the 31st floor and we're staying in a Grande suite. Let's take a closer look inside. So this is not a typical Vegas hotel room. It feels more like a chic apartment that you might see in New York, with beautiful features and artwork throughout. The Grande suite has a separate living area with sofa, TV and a little seating area with a table, so you can chill, eat or work if you really have to. The elegant toilet is off the hallway and it is separate to the bathroom, which is different to pretty much all other Vegas hotels. The minibar and safe is enclosed behind a lovely looking cabinet with all sorts of goodies on top. Off the living room area and through the double doors is the impressive bedroom with a separate bath. I love the feel of this room and it's spacious and beautifully furnished. The bathroom is smaller than most Vegas hotels, but it's very high quality with a huge shower and a separate dresser. The closet space is okay, not huge, but should be fine for 2 people. There's a steamer supplied here instead of an iron and it's really handy. There's a laundry service of course if you prefer. The rooms are really quiet and I've not heard a sound here, and it's a nice little haven to come back to after the craziness of the strip. There's a range of rooms available at Nomad, from the classic king and queens right through to the suites. Some rooms are dog friendly too, which is a really nice touch. This is a mid-range suite that you can pick up for around $330, including the resorts fee. Please like and subscribe for more Vegas content, and I'll see you in my next video.